Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, hope you are all well. Today I'll be introducing the topic on housekeeping equipments and materials. In the previous lesson, we learned on the safety measures in the housekeeping department. And now today we are going to look at the housekeeping equipments and materials. Maybe someone can tell us what a housekeeping equipment is. Anyone with an idea of what a housekeeping equipment is? Okay, no one with an idea? Okay, a housekeeping equipment, this is a tool which is used when cleaning the different surfaces in the housekeeping, while the housekeeping materials, these are the substances that are used when cleaning the different surfaces. Then we have the two classifications of the housekeeping equipments. They are the manual housekeeping equipments and the mechanical housekeeping equipments. The manual housekeeping equipments, these are the equipments that require the manpower when maybe using them, while the mechanical equipments, these are the equipments which will require maybe the power supply for them to operate. We have the examples of the housekeeping equipments. They include, that is the housekeeping manual equipments, they include the brushes, the brooms, the mops. We can also have the containers and the clothes. For the brushes, we have different brushes in the housekeeping. We can have the toilet brushes, we can have the hand brushes, and we can as well have for the hand brushes, we can have the soft brush and the hand brush. And we also have the hand brush, that is the brush that you use maybe when holding your arm, and it will not have the brush will not have the stick. Then we have we also have the containers. The examples of the containers will include the mop buckets. You can also have the basins, which can be used when cleaning the different surfaces. And we can as well have the dustpan, which is also a container. We also have the bottles, that is the spray bottles, which could be used when polishing the different surfaces. We also have the brooms. The brooms are used when maybe sweeping the surfaces. We can also have the mops. We have different types of mops. We have the dry mops, the wet mops. We also have you can also have the impregnated mops. And for these mops, in most cases, they are used when maybe wiping the surfaces, that is the floor. We also have the clothes. We can have the yellow dusters, which are used when maybe dusting the surfaces. We can have the dusters or the rags, and the rags are used when maybe polishing the floors. We also have the glass cloths. The glass cloths will be used when polishing surfaces like that is the windows, the surfaces which are made from the glasses. We also have the carts and trolleys. The carts and trolleys are used maybe by the housekeeping personnel when cleaning different rooms, and the trolleys will be used to stock the different equipments, the supplies, which will be used when cleaning the guest rooms. We also have the mechanical equipments. For the mechanical equipments, we said these are the equipments which will maybe require the power supply for them to operate. And the examples of the mechanical equipment will include a vacuum cleaner, a carpet shampoo machine, and a solvent extraction machine. For the vacuum cleaner, in most cases, the vacuum cleaner will be used maybe to remove maybe the dust from the surfaces. So that is the dust or the debris. And the vacuum cleaner can be used when cleaning surfaces, maybe like the carpets. You can also use them to clean. You can also use the vacuum cleaner to clean the upholstered chairs. These are the chairs. These are the modern chairs which are made maybe from materials like the velvet. You also have the carpet shampoo machine, and the carpet shampoo machine is used when deep cleaning the carpets. We also have the scrubber dryer sweepers, and the scrubber dryer sweepers are machines used to remove debris and the soiling or water from the surfaces. Maybe they can be used on the surfaces which are maybe cemented. Those are the surfaces which are not tiled, such kind of surfaces, or maybe surfaces made from terrazzo. You also have the sacrifying machine, and the sacrifying is a process by which the heavy grease and mud, wet saucepads, and thick deposits are removed from the surfaces. Yeah, now as I conclude, we have learned on the different equipments used in housekeeping. In summary, they are maybe classified into two, which are the housekeeping manual equipments and the housekeeping mechanical equipments. We have said that the manual equipments will require the manpower for them to operate, but for the mechanical equipment will not require the manpower for them to operate. Any question? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Maybe I would request you to show me your faces. Maybe you can switch on your camera so that I can see you. Let me conclude. Okay, I'll now conclude our class. We have said that the housekeeping equipments and materials are classified into two. That is the manual equipments and the mechanical equipments. And maybe I can ask if there is anyone with a question before I end the class and give you the assignment. If no one with a question, then yes, you can ask Daniel. Sorry? Okay, these are mops which are used maybe to sweep the surfaces. That is maybe the floor. They can be used when sweeping the surface. That is the floor. Okay, and then maybe can you turn your camera so that I can see you? Kindly. Turn on your camera so that I can see you, Eunice, Elizabeth, and Dan. Kindly. Okay, then maybe I can give you the assignment since you have not turned your cameras. The assignment will be go and look at the different ways in which you will take care of your housekeeping equipment. And the assignment will take 10 marks. Maybe goodbye, and maybe let's meet in the next lesson.